We have our drone expert with us today, and I'm very excited. From DJI, come on up, Yahya.
No.
I thought you were going to do a little dance for me.
I don't know how to dance, so.
Come on, you're Arab. We all dance. Yalla, Yahya.
But I have several things here with
You
me.
didn't dance, but you brought cool tech.
Yep.
I will forgive you.
See?
Very, very
Different
cool.
things.
Okay, so I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know that much about drones at all. I know they look very cool. I don't think I've ever even flown one. So I have a lot of questions for you. Take me through this setup. What are we looking through here?
So, yeah, this is a DJI AVATA. This is the drone. It's the last drone from DJI, the most recent one from DJI. And it is considered as an FPV drone. Okay?
What does that mean?
Well, I know. I will,
What are you talking about?
I will tell you. So FPV drone or FPV flying is like a style of flying a drone.
Okay.
So we have the traditional way and we have the FPV way. So in that way, in the FPV style, you will have the ability to have the super fast speed of the drone, and you will have the ability to maneuver in the tight spaces, and to do cool things in the air, like the diving, like cool movements, if I may say.
We're seeing some of that
but-
footage now, and it
yeah.
looks amazing.
Yeah.
So how fast does this go?
You will not believe it can go up to 97 kilometers per hour.
No way, that's faster than I drive. Okay.
So yeah, as you can see here from the video, yeah, we have it's like a new experience. Like it's different from the normal drones. And when I say FPV as a word, it stands for first person view.
Okay.
And what does it mean? It means like you will be able to see whatever the drone is seeing in real time. How? Using this headset.
I'm like cutting ahead of you. I'm like, let me give this presentation. Okay, using these goggles.
Yes. So it's like a VR headset, but it's not virtual. It's something real world. You will see what is the drone is seeing. I can turn it on if you want to, and we pretend that we are flying the drone.
Okay.
Let's do it.
I like to pretend a lot. Yeah. So what is the benefit to using these goggles? Otherwise, would you be monitoring it on your phone, or how would you usually be watching?
Yeah, because the traditional ways, in like the other drones, you will have the normal controller. You will attach your phone and then turn on. You will see from the screen of your phone. But now you will be able to see from the goggles, and you are a bird flying in the sky.
So a truly immersive experience, guys. I think that's really amazing. So you can actually, explore the world by kind of losing sense of yourself by strapping on these goggles.
You want me to turn it on?
I would really not trust me with that in a studio setup. Virgin Megastore is like, we did not sign up.
No, we'll not fly it, of course.
Okay,
like,
okay. And what is this?
Okay, so what is this?
I mean, I'm guessing.
Yeah, with the FPV drone, you have a different control methods. Like the normal drones, you have the normal controller, but with this DJI AVATA, you have two options. One is this, the one you are holding. It's like the PS4 controller. You'll feel like you are playing a game. And the other game changer thing is this. This is the motion controller. And can you imagine that you will control the whole drone from one hand, using one hand only?
No.
Yeah, you will do. It's a game changer thing. It has all the sensors that are directly connected to the drone, and whatever movement I do, it will be reflected in real time, zero delay to the drone directly.
So, yeah. Tell me something. Who actually is a drone good for? Like I see all these TikTok videos. You guys know what I'm talking about. Every hot woman in the world is like sitting there and in a bathing suit on a beautiful beach, and then she's got the drone takes off and suddenly she's on a paradise island. And I mean, you see those videos and they're stunning. So obviously it's for content creators.
Yep.
But who else would use a drone?
Anyone who's looking into starting a drone experience, because when I say FPV, you need to be like a professional to fly an FPV drone. But with DJI AVATA, DJI considered both the beginners and the professionals people. So if you are a beginner and you don't know how to fly a drone, you can start with this one because it has the beginner mode. So we have the FPV mode and we have the beginner mode. You can switch from the controller itself. From here, you can switch between both modes, And when you are in the beginner mode, the sensors that are here in the drone will be on. So if you left the controller in the table, the drone will stay hovering in its place, it will not fall down. So
Whoa.
you're safe.
For how long?
Well, like 18 minutes.
Wow.
Yep.
Okay.
So if you are, for whom? It's for the beginners, for the professionals, for everyone who's looking to have a new experience, if I may say. Because as I told you, you'll feel like a bird flying in
This
the
is
sky.
just like the future, right? We don't even need to go anywhere. From the comfort of our home, we can explore the world.
I need to mention something. The camera quality is amazing. It has the like half an inch sensor size. It can record 4K 60 frames per second, and then you can imagine the rest. The output, the video footage will be amazing.
That is really impressive,
Yes.
Yahya. Anything else that you should tell viewers? You think we covered it all? No, you do have some.
You can fly it indoor.
You can fly it indoor.
Yeah, because
Not in my household.
the normal drones cannot be trusted to fly indoor, but this one, since it has the guard from the sides here, it's safe. Even if it's scratched, God forbid, it will be safe. You will be able to just change this, and you can do it by yourself.
So from start to finish, it's 18 minutes running time.
Yep. Yes.
Okay. So that's not bad. That's a pretty good stretch.
Now I think you need to start.
I mean, Yahya, I'm wondering, what are you doing this weekend? Do you want to take me out?
Sure.
Would you dare to let me try flying your drone?
Yeah, why
Or
not?
would you worry about me crashing
No.
it? Okay.
I trust you.
Beginner. Oh, okay. All right. Thank you so much.
One
Yahya.
thing I can add, one more thing about if you are a beginner, there is an application. It's only an iPhone by DJI. It's called DJI Flying. Okay, so you will be able to practice in virtual. You'll connect all the devices and wear the goggles, and it's like a virtual, but you will
It's like a practice run before you do the
Bravo.
real thing.
Exactly.
Well done.
Yes.
All right. Thanks so much, Yahya. Let's fist bump. I do this
Anytime.
with my kids. I do the just to be extra cool, guys.
Thank you for having me.
Thanks so much, Yahya. All right. All right.